Ashley Maggie Sofa Review. Pros: cozy and comfortable. The Maggie sofa is renowned for its plush cushions and soft fabric, providing a relaxing and inviting seating experience. Aesthetically appealing, featuring a contemporary or modern design, depending on color, fabric choice. The Maggie sofa can blend seamlessly into a variety of decor styles. Spacious. This sofa offers ample seating, making it a great choice for families or those who like to entertain. Affordable. Compared to many similar sofas, the Ashley Maggie sits at a budget-friendly price point. Cons: cushion sagging. Some users report that the cushions, especially the back cushions, tend to lose their shape over time. Low profile. The sofa has a relatively low height, which may not be ideal for taller individuals or those who prefer a more upright seating position. Fabric pilling. Depending on the fabric choice, some users have experienced pilling, small balls of fiber, on the sofa's surface. Limited durability. While generally sturdy, the Maggie sofa might not hold up as well as higher-end sofas under heavy or long-term use. Thank you for watching. Get a special offer by following the link in the description.